Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. My name is Jose Mera. I am a student electronic engineering, and then I will share my experience at the restaurant Don Gusto located in the municipality of Huachine, Cauca. Don Gusto is a very nice place where you can get your text. It is a fast food place, but it advises you ask for the arepa with everything. You will love it. We love to go out and to taste the delicacies that each restaurant exhibits. It is worth noting the good service that it offers tested. Excuse me. I invite you so you can have a wonderful night with your family. Okay? Thank you.